आउटिंग पे जा रहे हैं हम लोग और कुछ दोस्त लोग. तो बेसिकली इन दिस वीडियो एक मेहमान का इंग्लिश में कर रहा है. So hello guys, welcome back to.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
So guys, in this video we are going for outing with our friends. So in this we are going to two places, St. Thomas Mount Church and one more is Hidden Lake.
So basically St. Thomas is famous for its view.
And Hidden Lake is itself a hidden place where you have to do a trekking and you will get a scenic beauty there.
Basically it's a lake and it is surrounded by
scenic,
small mountains, you can say.
So you will
not
enjoy
mountains, they are plateaus. So small plateaus surrounded.
And in this video we are not going by train, we will be traveling by scooty. We will be renting scooty from here only and we will be going by scooty, so you will enjoy a ride too.
And for those of you who don't know, we are staying in Abboud. So this is Abboud.
Yeah.
This is the parking of Abboud. And in front of that there is there are shops. There are a few shops where we can rent the scooty. So we are renting the scooty from there and we are going. So stay tuned and all the best. Bye.
So guys, finally we have reached where we can find our rental scooty. So we have rented two Activas. It is standing there. So we will be heading towards now St. Thomas Mount Church, and you will be seeing all the journey.
We'll create a time lapse for you all.
Yeah, so you will enjoy that also, and we will have fun in between also. So you will see that also. So from here our journey starts. So watch our video till the end, so you will enjoy and you will get to know what all places we are visiting. And when you will come to SRM, where you all can visit. So let's start the journey then.
So guys,
we have finally reached Hidden Lake, and as you can see here all around, this is the way.
and basically we are finding a way to get to the main spot, and we are not finding a way. See the view, guys. See the view. We are all surrounded by trees and plants, and we are not getting our way out. So it's like trekking, but the paths are hidden. So we'll show you the way, and hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, the view here is awesome, and though there is no cleanliness here, but as you can see, complete greenery is there.
So guys, you'll find some challenges here. You have to find your way out, and as you can see, the whole area is empty. There's no one to guide you. So basically you have to find your own way.
And the localite also doesn't know the way actually.
Yeah.
They kept on saying you the wrong way.
Yeah, actually we asked a couple of localites that what is the way. They were telling us that the wrong way. Then we on ourselves find out the correct way, and we are following that, and we are hoping that we'll find our destination very soon.
Very soon, yeah.
Yeah. Hey bro, there is no one. There is literally no one. Yeah.
Guys, remember one thing: if you are coming in a group, you can bring bat ball and other stuff with you, and you can play cricket here.
Literally no one, guys. It's empty ground. भाई आगे वाला रास्ता ये वाला लेना है कि वो वाला लेना है? ये वाला ना?
क्योंकि इधर ही है अपना सारा. And it is advised not to come alone.
Yeah, because many of our friends suggested that on these empty roads, there are a couple or a group of guys who are drinking.
Yeah.
So be aware.
So if you are coming up with your girlfriend or any female friend, I should suggest
don't
you
come alone. Don't come alone.
Yeah, don't come alone.
Come in a group.
Come in a group. That will be better. What happened? So guys, we have found a ball here.
Yo, hidden treasure. Hidden treasure of Hidden Lake.
So that we can play.
treasure hunt खेल सकते हैं.
Yeah, you can play treasure, as this guy has suggested. You remember him in the OMR food vlog?
Yeah, it was
The birthday guy.
It was his birthday.
Guys, I'm that guy with short hairs.
And fat ass.
No.
And वो camera switch And as you can see, guys, this is the most. This boy is the most sincere one in our group. See, he's walking alone.
He doesn't need anyone.
He is alone in his life and will be forever.
No.
I'm not a Kunal.
He found someone, yeah? Tell them. So guys, we are on the top of one hill.
Bro, Rasta. Abey bhai.
You can see this is the hidden lake, and
You can see this is the hidden.
we have to go here. Come here.
अरे यार,
अरे बहुत दूर है साला.
ब्रो कैसे भाई? ये देख यहाँ तो पूरा पानी है.
So guys, finally we have reached Hidden Lake. After so many tries, so many ways, so many paths, finally we have reached from their top to here. As you can see, Hidden Lake is just behind us. So let's go there.
So we firstly we tried to escape the plan, and we were quitting the journey. But after some time, Siddharth gave us motivation that we have came this far, so we should complete our journey. So after some time, we found a way. It was a risky way, but
Yeah.
we managed to pull it off. And now we'll show that how's the view.
अबे ये वाला भाई, ये वाला मेरे सीनियर किया था. पीछे रील बनाया था. वो वाला शाहरुख खान वाला.
ये बनाएंगे, ये बनाएंगे, ये जहाँ तक बनाएंगे.
झाड़ू किसी से किया था.
So guys, now let's head towards Hidden Lake. Finally, the Hidden Lake is revealed. Guys, just see the view. Just see the view, guys.
ये देखो भाई ऊपर. And we'll show you that.
Now we will go to St. Mount Church. So stay tuned with the channel. Stay tuned with the video. You will get to know another place in this video. Also.
And we are hoping that the Saint Mount Church, it is decorated beautifully.
Yeah,
of
because it's
hour.
Christmas time. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
it's Christmas time basically. So hope for the best, and
Yeah.
we'll see you in the Saint
So
Mount
let's
Church.
continue the journey. So 1, 2, 3, and here see the road journey. So guys, from here our journey ends.
Finally, the
Fine.
journey ends for today.
We have also visited St. Mount Church also.
And we are very tired. We have covered two places and two extreme places basically, which are hilly areas. So it's
Correct.
difficult to climb and come down.
So finally we are going back now to abode. Now if you will find any masti in the way, so you will see that, or else if you do any masti at the night, you will also see that, or else for now, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.